Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on your Apple ID. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in appleid.apple.com. Once you do that, you're gonna have to give your details and sign in into your Apple account. Now on the screen at the top right corner, you're gonna find three icons. Right below the search icon, you'll find a small drop-down icon. Tap on it, then a bunch of options will appear like personal information, sign-in and security, payment methods, family sharing devices and privacy. Select personal information. There you'll find categories like name, date of birth, country or region, then finally language. Tap on it, then select the drop-down icon again and select the language that you want to change it into and tap on save. Once you do that, you'll successfully change the language on your Apple ID. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.